Hubert Centers here, and if you've been watching these videos for more than 2 seconds, you know I'm not a huge fan of Facebook, and I tried to talk everyone that I knew out of going long Facebook just because it was way too hyped. Now, there is an area where I was like, okay, it may be potentially worth buying at a 50% half off sale, in other words, from 45 to 0. And all you have to do is just cut that thing in half. And that gives you around 22 bucks, 22.50. So let's put that on the chart first. So around 22.50 would be a decent long. I actually tried it and got shaken out of it and then lost some money. So I actually bought it down here in this area and it bounced up and then stopped me out. So when you start looking at trading stuff, remember, we're trading this. We're not investing and holding Facebook forever. So the half off sale or the 50% sale on Facebook, the purchase was right here, and then boom, got stopped out. Lost a little bit of money, but didn't hurt too bad. It's once again bottomed out and has a potential. So here you can see market structure low, market structure low, market structure low, market structure low that actually held. And then you have, this is a 21-day moving average. It's just simple. You can use it in EMA too if you want. And now you can see we have a professional gap. So we had Mark Zuckerberg said something in a talk, and it gapped up here. And it's now holding above the 21-day moving average, which is 20 bucks and 9 cents. So that's good. So now we're going a little bit higher. Now we're holding the 50% area. That's good. So from a trade perspective, it's not a bad trade setup if you like being long Facebook. Here's what I would do. I would get long around 22.50-ish or better. In other words, higher or lower, just in that general area. And then your first target is going to be this first gap, which is going to be 24.66. And then you're also going to target a half a gap fill, which would be around 25.66, and then a full gap fill. A full gap fill would be around 26.86. So entry anywhere anywhere north of 22 bucks is a decent trade on Facebook with a target of 24.66. 25.66 or 26.66 or 86, I should say 26.86. If it gets above there, then we'll be talking about something else entirely. We'll talk about turning it into a potential swing trade that may come back here and try to test 29 and then 32 and then maybe take out the high. But as of right now, it's just a decent counter trend trade that has had a good pro gap and holding the 21-day moving average. Good luck. Hope it helps. I'll see you on the next video.